What's up, guys? It's been nuts around here. We got hit with that hurricane and it threw everything off schedule. Let me show you what I got going on. So I have the trunk here, I have the hood, I have painted the underneath of it, and I have painted the top of it. I have the car back, and it's time to start putting everything back together. This car was actually in the garage when the storm was coming, so I had to rip everything off and leave it the way it was and store it somewhere else. But now it's time to rip all this tape off. There's still some panels that I haven't finished, and I am dying to see what it looks like with these wheels. We still haven't even put them on the car. Gonna wait until everything is put together, everything's nice and painted, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. So tune in if you want to see that. We're very close in finishing this project, and we can start on the Turbo Miata.